Hey, if you want to enable Google Assistant on your Android phone, first you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi network or mobile data, and just be sure that you have the latest version of the Google application. So we have to type on the Play Store the Google, and we have to be sure that we have an update. As you can see, in my case, I don't have, so I have to download it right now. And then in this time when it's downloading, we have to also take a look if we have the Google Assistant on our phone. Okay, as you can see, I don't have the Google Assistant, so I have to download this application also. Right now we can just take a look for the download process on the Google app. As you can see, it's almost finished. Few seconds and the installation process will be on our device. It's very important to get the latest version, because there is some chances that in the old version there is this option placed in a different way. So I'm going to show you how to enter in my version, and in your version it will be in the different place. So we have to get the latest version. We got both applications on our device, so right now we have to open this Google application on our phone. Then we can select account for which we want to get this Google Assistant, so I'm gonna switch for this one. Then we have to click on the right upper corner and then go to the settings. Right now we have to scroll down and find the Google Assistant. And here we have to scroll down one more time and go to the general options. And to turn on the Google Assistant, we have to click right here. If you want to use the Hey Google, you can also do this by going right here and select this option and then input your voice data. Right now, if you want to use your Google Assistant, all you have to do is just to click on it. Or for example, use the Hey Google voice command. And yeah, that's all. Bye.